Hello friends, welcome to the fourth chapter of the lecture series. In this chapter, we will learn how to model, how to analyze, and how to design a 3D frame. So far, we have done a beam which was in a single plane. After that, we did a 2D frame which was in two planes. Now we are doing a 3D frame which is in the three planes. As I have told you in the previous chapters, please make a configuration as per your requirement. For that, you have to go to the configuration, left click on the configuration, and from here, please choose the unit you want. Also, you can choose the background color if you want it white or if you want it black. Similarly, you can change the STAAD default design codes. You can change them later as well. After making all the selections as per your choice, click on accept. Now what we do? Now let us open a new project. Click on new project option here. From here, choose space and the file name here we give as 3D frame practice. And from here, choose the folder where you want to save this file. As I've suggested, you always make a different folder for a file. And here you can change the units of the length and also the units of the force. You can change these things later as well, but if you make selections here, it will be easier for you to start. After doing this much of work, click on next and here choose add beam option. And after that, click on finish. Now I'll just close this window over here. We will not use this method to model our structure. We will define nodes from here.